friends, today we will be discussing best IS coaching center in Kollam. To make this video, we have taken the help of research report created by Our Education. So credit goes to Our Education. Our Education is largest website in India which offers ranking of coaching centers, colleges. In fact, reviews given by Our Education is very genuine, and you should also check reviews of coaching centers and ranking given by Our Education on daily basis to make the right decisions in your life. So guys, let's talk about a little bit Kollam. Kollam is fourth largest city in Kerala and the fifth largest in terms of population area. It is known for cashew processing and coir manufacturing. I want to tell you one very important thing about Kollam. The local language of Kollam is Malayalam. Okay, and basically Kollam is well known for this lake. You might have heard of Ashtamudi Lake. Ashtamudi Lake is very famous. It is very beautiful place in South India. Friends, let me tell you, basically this it is known as a trade hub, and for it is well known for its beaches. Like you will be finding good beaches in Kollam. And one very important information that you should know, that Kollam was founded by Rama Varma Kulashekara. It lies in South India. This is just the basic information about Kollam. Let's read our complete information on this blog, the link of which I will be providing in the description box. Let me tell you which coaching is best for your UPSC and civil services exam preparation in Kollam. Friends, this is very important report that you should check if you are looking for best IS coaching center in Kollam. Rank 1 IS coaching institute in Kollam is Plutus IS Academy. Friends, popularity, it will offer you online classes for UPSC. You can prepare for UPSC Civil Services examination by being at home. It has been said that UPSC CSE is the toughest examination in India, and the most difficult part of UPSC preparation is to fight for the right institute. We all know that. This is the reason we have made this video, so that you get to know by being at Kollam which coaching you should join for your IS preparation. As of now, Plutus IS Academy has become the ranked one UPSC coaching institute. Let me show you in search box. Type this plutusias.com. Type this plutusias.com in your search result, and you can easily visit this website. You simply need to fill this form, right? And this institute will call you back. You can schedule your demo on this coaching by being at home. By being at your class, you can decide whether you should join this coaching for IS preparation or not. But as I have told you, in complete Kollam, in complete Kollam, Plutus IS has become the rank 1 coaching institute and has got the maximum popularity from Kollam region. Complete South region, Plutus IS Academy has become coaching center for civil services examination training. I mean, the faculties of this coaching institute are incredible, and many IS toppers also recommend to take IS classes from this well-known, renowned UPSC coaching center in India. What is the best thing that I like about this UPSC coaching institute is their interactive classes. Means by taking IAS class from Plutus IAS Academy, you will be feeling like you are taking class in classroom based program, because they have a very good software and very good facility, interactive live facility to train aspirants for UPSC preparation, and the fees structure of this coaching institute is very nominal. Let's move to the second best IAS coaching institute in Kollam, which is Brilliance College. This is a well-known coaching institute for IS preparation in Kollam. It also helps you in preparing Kerala Public Service Commission. Many people who are preparing for IS also keep backup as State Service Commission. In-depth classes for State Service examination is offered by this institute. Friends, there is one very important video on best IS coaching in Kollam. You should watch it. I will give this link in the description box, so you can visit this page and take the most important information required to take IS coaching in Kollam. Third best IS coaching in Kollam is DOTS Academy for Civil Services Examination Training. You might be thinking, what is DOTS? So DOT stands for Development of Thoughts. Okay, and as far as features of DOTS Academy is considered, the institute offers you expert guidance for IS preparation. They have their own online lab practice test as well. Information about .IS Academy is mentioned here in this article. Fourth best IS coaching in Kollam is Photon Civil Services. Friends, you can take complete information from here. So these are the best UPSC coaching institute in Kollam. Friends, I want to tell you one very important information. If you want to prepare for IS examination free of cost, you can join below Telegram link. Yeah, that is Our Education link only. In that Telegram link, you will keep on getting the current affairs and most important informations related to IS or any government exam preparation, and free IS notes and top mentors as well. And if you want to have a video on daily basis for current affairs, that too in the very early morning, then do subscribe this channel and please hit the like button. We are giving you free information on this platform. We want you also to support us by at least giving the like and subscribing our channel. So friends, do tell me, how do you like this video? If any feedback you have, please also tell us in the comment section. We will definitely work upon to improve our services. Thank you.